Oh, hello there! In the past few days, I've seen quite a lot of chatter about Wix's campaign. Some of you asked why Wix didn't talk about itself yet, and it's a great question. I do believe external growth begins by looking inward. So let's put WordPress aside and talk about Wix. For starters, turning on Dev Mode gives you a built-in online IDE that lets you unleash your creativity. The serverless zero setup environment means you can start customizing your site with code right away, whether you're enhancing existing features or developing your own functionality from scratch. Really? You'll have access to tons of front-end and back-end APIs and can use any third-party system to create the unique visitor experience you want. The built-in database gives you the freedom to develop any application on top of the platform. This is only possible thanks to Wix's unique enterprise-grade infrastructure. You see, all Wix websites are hosted on leading multi-cloud vendors on not just one, but 3 continents with automatic fallback to make sure they're always available. Give me more, I want some more! There's even auto-scaling to meet your traffic spikes, together with protection against denial of service attacks and continual security monitoring. Unlike self-hosting services, Wix automatically connects you to multiple CDN providers and selects the best node per geography, so your sites will load fast, everywhere on every device. Wix. And that's not all. Wix wants to free up your time to focus on your work. Because it's hard to keep up with ever-changing regulation, Wix is always evolving, developing the tools for your site to meet the latest requirements. Thank you. So, from accessibility and privacy features to compliance with GDPR and CCPA, you get it all out of the box. Lucky you. And let's not forget, it's also the most robust drag-and-drop website creation platform out there. Oops, looks like our time is up. See you next time.